The grammar topic which you are going to study today is pronoun. First, I want to share some sentences with you so that it will be easy for your understanding. Ram is an intelligent student. Ram always completes his work on time. Ram is very much active in curricular activities. When we listen these sentences, it seems senseless when we use the word Ram again and again. So that's why pronouns are used. Pronouns are used for the replacement of nouns. We don't need to use the words nouns again and again. We can speak these sentences like Ram is an intelligent student. He always completes his work on time. He is very much active in curricular activities. Some more sentences I want to share with you. We shall stand by truth. Why are you crying? Dog covered itself with dirt. He himself is responsible for the low grades. The children themselves made the plan. The village itself is very small. Nobody attended the meeting. Everyone was smiling. Many of them were injured. Each had a different solution to the problem. Much of his research was unreliable. These are cakes and those are burgers. This is the lady who helped me. Who is there at the door? Which is your book? Who is making noise? So in these sentences, we, why, itself, he, himself, themselves, itself, nobody, everyone, many, each, much, these, those, this, who, which, who, these are pronouns. So pronouns are used for the replacement of nouns. If we are making somebody understand by using of pronouns, so there is no need of using nouns again and again. Next, I want to share with you 7 kinds of pronouns. First is your personal pronouns. Personal pronouns stand for 3 persons. First is I and we. Second person you. Third person he, she, it, they. Your examples are I was writing my letter. We were playing in the playground. You must do your duty. He must complete his work. It seems to me he will come. They attended the party. Your second sort of pronoun is a reflexive pronoun. These pronouns refer to the same person or thing as this is indicated by the subject of the verb. Your examples are myself, yourself, himself, ourselves, themselves. I myself ran the race. You yourself went there. He hit it by himself. We sent the message by ourselves. In these pronouns, question is asked, who hit it? He himself hit it. Who sent the message? We ourselves sent the message. Your third kind of pronouns is demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns are used to point out the person or things for which they stand. Your examples are this, that, these, those. Your sentences can be this is my pen, that is my friend's house. In these sentences, this, that, these are pronouns. Next, your fourth kind of pronoun is indefinite pronouns. These pronouns refer to the persons or things in a general way. We are not sure about the counting of persons or things as how many they are. Your examples are some, many, few, one, none, all. Your sentences can be: some of students have completed their work. Many of players played well. Few of my books got dirty. One of my friends went to meeting. None of you attended the class. All of my friends are happy. Next, your fifth kind of pronoun is distributive pronouns. These are pronouns which show that person or things taken in a singular way. Your examples are each, either, neither. Each of you has to go to the market. Neither of these shirts is good. It means both of shirts are not good. When we have to point out each particular person, then we have to use these distributive pronouns. Next, your sixth kind of pronoun is interrogative pronouns. These are used for asking questions. Which is your cell phone? What is your father? What do you mean? Which is your book? Seventh kind of pronoun is relative pronouns. A relative pronoun is one that not only stands for a noun but also joins the sentences. Your sentences can be: she is the lady who taught me English. In this sentence, who is a relative pronoun because it joins or connects two sentences. Here is the watch that you like. That is joining two sentences. Joining two sentences. Here is the watch and you like. Joining two sentences by the that. Next, your third sentence: all that glitters is not gold. In this sentence, that is working as a relative pronoun because it is joining two sentences. Next, your fourth is God helped those who help themselves. In this sentence, who is a relative pronoun because it is connecting two sentences. God helps those and they help themselves. So in this lecture I have explained you the pronouns are used for the replacement of nouns. We don't need to use unnecessary use of nouns again and again. We can use pronouns in place of nouns.